stop everything you're doing right now. Because what I'm about to tell you might completely change your skin in the best way possible. You've heard about honey masks before, right? But I'm here to warn you and guide you through something deeper. Because this sweet kitchen ingredient isn't just for tea or toast, it's a powerful skin transformer. But here's the twist. Using honey the wrong way can quietly damage your face. And yes, I learned that the hard way. So today, I'm revealing the truth. The honey mask trick for instant glow. What it does right, what it does wrong, and how to use it safely for that soft glass skin glow you dream about. Stay with me till the end. Because I promise, once you know this, you'll never look at your skincare routine the same way again. I used to wake up every morning, look in the mirror, and feel that dullness. My skin wasn't bad, but it wasn't glowing either. It looked tired, flat, almost lifeless. No matter how many products I bought, no matter how expensive the serums were, nothing gave me that natural, dewy, healthy look I wanted. Then, one morning while sipping tea, I noticed something. The honey in my cup shimmered under the light, thick, golden, full of life. And I remembered something my grandmother used to say. When your skin feels tired, feed it something alive. Feed it honey. That same day, I tried it. I spread a thin layer of pure honey over my face. It felt sticky, weird, and I almost gave up. But when I rinsed it off 10 minutes later, my skin glowed. Not oily, not greasy, just alive. That's when I started researching, and what I found was shocking. Honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's nature's skin healer, but it can also cause problems if you don't use it right. So let's get into the truth. Before we talk about the glow, we need to talk about the warnings, because natural doesn't always mean safe. So here are 5 bad things that can happen when you use honey masks the wrong way, and how to protect yourself. First, you might be using the wrong type of honey. Not all honey is the same. Some are heated, filtered, or even mixed with sugar syrup. Those kinds of honey lose their healing enzymes and nutrients. If you're using regular store-bought honey that's overly processed, you're not feeding your skin. You're just coating it with sticky sugar. Processed honey can clog your pores, cause breakouts, and even irritate sensitive skin. The fix: VORS. Choose raw, unfiltered, or Manuka honey. These types still have their natural enzymes, antibacterial power, and skin-friendly vitamins. Second, leaving it on too long can dry out your skin. Honey is a humectant. It attracts water. Sounds good, right? But here's the tricky part. If your room is dry and you leave honey on too long, it starts pulling moisture out of your skin instead of pulling it in. That's how you end up with tight, dry, flaky patches. Don't treat honey like a night mask. It's not meant to stay overnight. The fix is to keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes max. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water, not hot, and pat your skin dry. Don't rub. Third, allergic reactions are real. Jets. Honey is natural. But that doesn't mean everyone's skin loves it. If you have pollen allergies or sensitive skin, raw honey can trigger redness or itching. It happened to me the first time. I didn't patch test, and after washing it off, I felt a light burn on my cheek. So please, always test a small amount on your jawline or wrist first. Wait 24 hours before applying it all over your face. If your skin reacts, stop immediately. You can try a milder version by mixing the honey with plain yogurt or aloe vera. Fourth, you might be using it with the wrong ingredients. Some people mix honey with lemon juice or baking soda. Please don't do that. Lemon is acidic. Baking soda is too alkaline. Your skin barrier, that invisible shield protecting you, hates that imbalance. Mixing harsh ingredients with honey cancels its healing effect and can cause burns, irritation, and long-term barrier damage. The fix is simple. If you want to mix honey, stick with gentle companions like oatmeal, aloe vera, or rosewater. And fifth, expecting instant magic every time. Yes, honey can give you a temporary glow. That's what makes it addictive. But long-term results come from consistency, not one miracle mask. Using honey once won't erase years of dullness or acne scars. So, the fix is to use it 2 to 3 times a week. Stay hydrated and always follow with a moisturizer. Treat it as a support for your routine, not a substitute for healthy habits. Now that you know the warnings, let us talk about the beautiful part, the 5 good things honey can do when used correctly. Because when you respect this golden ingredient, your skin rewards you. So, you want that instant glow everyone's talking about. What if I told you the secret is probably already in your kitchen? Let's dive into the 5 incredible things that happen when you start using a honey mask. First, you get an instant glow and smoother skin. Seriously, right away. Honey is packed with natural sugars and enzymes that gently soften and lift away dull, dead skin cells. After just 10 minutes, your face feels incredibly soft and looks visibly brighter. This isn't makeup. It's your own beautiful skin, just refreshed. A quick tip, always apply honey to clean, damp skin, not dry. This helps it pull moisture into your skin, giving you that plump, hydrated look. Second, honey provides deep hydration without any greasiness. It's a master at balancing moisture. It locks in hydration without clogging your pores, which is a dream come true for those with oily or combination skin. Instead of making you shiny, it actually helps regulate oil production, keeping dry patches, moisturized and oily T-zones calm. That's why even dermatologists call it a universal hydrator. For an extra boost, try mixing a teaspoon of honey with a single drop of glycerin or some aloe vera gel. Your skin will thank you. Third on our list, it fights bacteria and acne naturally. If you struggle with breakouts, listen up. Raw honey, especially potent varieties like Manuka, contains natural antibacterial properties. It helps calm redness, reduce the size of pimples, and even prevent new ones from popping up. And the best part? It does all this without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier, like so many harsh acne treatments do. A great little trick is to dab a tiny bit of raw honey directly onto a pimple before bed. Leave it for about 15 minutes, rinse it off, and then continue with your regular routine. You'll notice it helps heal spots faster and reduces that angry inflammation. Benefit number 4 is that honey soothes irritation and helps repair your skin barrier. Have you ever gone a little too crazy with exfoliation? Or has your skin ever felt tight, red, and just angry? Honey acts like a soothing, natural bandage. Its anti-inflammatory and healing enzymes get to work repairing your skin's protective barrier, helping it recover faster. This is fantastic after a bit too much sun, or after using strong active ingredients like retinol or acids. For a super cooling and restorative mask, mix your honey with a little fresh cucumber juice or aloe vera. It feels absolutely amazing. And finally, the 5th benefit is long-term radiance and more youthful-looking skin. This is the marathon, not the sprint. Honey is loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols. These powerful compounds protect your skin from daily environmental stresses like pollution and UV damage, which contribute to premature aging. With consistent use, you'll notice your skin tone becomes more even. Fine lines appear softer, and that healthy, lit from within glow starts to return. It's a beautiful, natural process. Just aim to use a honey mask 2 or 3 times a week, and always follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in all that goodness. Now that you know why honey is so amazing, let's walk through the perfect routine to use it safely and get that gorgeous glow. First things first, you have to choose the right honey. Look for jars labeled raw, organic, or, if you can find it and want to splurge, Manuka honey. These are the purest forms. Try to avoid anything that says blended, pasteurized, or has added flavors. Those have been processed and won't have the same skin-loving benefits. Step 2, and this is non-negotiable. Patch test first. Before you slather it all over your face, apply a small amount to a discrete area, like behind your ear or on your inner wrist. Leave it for 24 hours. If there's no redness, itching, or irritation, you're good to go. Step 3 is prepping your skin. Start with a clean canvas. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water, then pat it dry with a soft towel. Want to take it up a notch? You can use a facial steamer for a minute or 2 to help open up your pores, but don't overdo it. Now for the fun part. Step 4. Applying the honey. Take about 1 teaspoon of your chosen honey. Using clean fingers or a soft mask brush, spread it in a thin, even layer across your face. Be careful to avoid your delicate eye area and your eyebrows. Codes. You can use it plain, or you can mix in a teaspoon of aloe vera for extra hydration, a teaspoon of finely ground oatmeal for gentle exfoliation, or even a single drop of rosewater for a fresh, calming scent. Step 5 is to simply relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Put your feet up, take some deep breaths, and let the honey work its magic. You might feel a gentle warming or tightening sensation on your skin, and that's completely normal. Once your time is up, it's step 6. Rinse gently. Throughs. Lukewarm water and your fingertips to gently massage your face in circular motions. Honey can be sticky, so be patient while rinsing to make sure you get it all off. Afterward, gently pat your skin dry. No rubbing. And the final step, step 7, is to seal in that glow. Immediately follow up with your favorite lightweight moisturizer or a few drops of face oil. This helps lock in the hydration from the mask. And if you're doing this in the morning, please don't forget to apply sunscreen. Your skin will feel babysoft.com and incredibly radiant. So, what kind of results can you actually expect? Let's be real, your skin isn't going to magically transform overnight. But within about a week to 10 days of using a honey mask consistently, you'll definitely start to see and feel a difference. Your face will look brighter, the texture will feel much smoother, and your overall skin tone will start to even out. Give it about 3 to 4 weeks, and you'll notice a deeper, more sustained glow. It's that subtle, healthy shine that looks like it's coming from within you. And honestly, the best part is that you'll probably find yourself needing less makeup. You'll start to feel more confident and just love your bare skin again. Alright, let's wrap up with a few common questions I get all the time. First, can I use a honey mask every day? You can, but it's best if your skin isn't overly dry or sensitive. For most people, 2 to 3 times a week is the sweet spot for achieving and maintaining those long-term benefits. Second, can I mix it with lemon or coffee? Please don't. Both of those can be way too harsh and acidic for your face, potentially causing irritation. With skincare, simple and gentle is almost always better. Third, can men use it too? Absolutely, skin is skin, regardless of gender. Honey is a fantastic, natural ingredient for everyone. Fourth, what's the best time to apply it? Personally recommend using it in the evening as part of your nighttime routine. It's a wonderful way to calm and heal your skin after it's been exposed to the elements all day. And finally, does it help with dark spots? Yes, it can, indirectly. Honey's ability to reduce inflammation and promote skin healing helps. The marks left behind by acne or irritation fade more quickly over time. And that's the sweet truth about honey masks. I hope this helps you achieve the glowing skin of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, natural skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go a little deeper for a moment and uncover the hidden science behind honey's power. It's not just a sweet treat, it's a skincare powerhouse. When you put honey on your skin, something amazing happens. It contains an enzyme called glucose oxidase, which reacts with the moisture in your skin to create a tiny amount of hydrogen peroxide. This is a natural antiseptic that gently kills acne-causing bacteria without the harshness of chemicals. But that's not all. Honey is also packed with amino acids, the building blocks of protein, which help rebuild and strengthen your skin's barrier. It's loaded with antioxidants that fight off the free radicals causing dullness and wrinkles. And it has natural enzymes that gently exfoliate away dead skin cells. So, when you use a honey mask, you're not just moisturizing. You're actually repairing your skin on a microscopic level. It's no wonder. Even dermatologists sometimes recommend honey as a soothing, natural remedy for mild acne and sensitivity. Now, let me be real with you for a moment. I need to share an honest warning. When I first discovered the honey mask, I got completely obsessed. I started using it every single day, thinking more was better. But one day, I noticed my cheeks felt unusually tight and started to get flaky. That's when I realized something incredibly important. Even the most natural, wonderful things can become harmful if you overuse them. So here's my warning. Balance is the key. Honey is a helper, not a magic cure-all. Your skin needs other things. Too, it needs to rest, it needs water, and it needs protection from the sun. Don't chase that glow so hard that you end up burning yourself out. Remember, healthy skin is calm, balanced skin. If you want to keep that beautiful honey glow look every day, let me share 3 simple habits you can add to your routine. First is the morning hydration habit. Before you even wash your face, drink a full glass of water. This helps flush out toxins and boosts your skin's moisture from the inside out. Second, follow the gentle cleansing rule. Please, don't overwash your face. Cleansing in the morning and at night is more than enough for most people. 2. Much cleansing strips your natural oils and can seriously damage your skin barrier, leading to more problems. And third, try a little honey touch-up once a week. Even if you don't have time for a full mask, you can dab a small drop of raw honey on any dry patches, like around your nose or on your lip corners, before bed. Fifth, it's a fantastic mini treatment that keeps your skin soft and supple all week long. Alright, let's recap everything simply. Here are the 5 big things to avoid. First, using the wrong type of honey stick, to raw or manuka only. Second, leaving the mask on for too long. 10 to 15 minutes is the sweet spot. Third, skipping the patch test. Always check for allergies first. Fourth, mixing it with harsh ingredients like lemon juice or baking soda don't do it. And fifth, expecting instant miracles. Real results come with patience and consistency. Now for the 5 wonderful things to embrace. An instant, natural glow, deep hydration without any oiliness, its bacteria-fighting and acne-calming power. How it soothes and repairs a damaged skin barrier. And finally, the long-term radiance and youthfulness it promotes. So, my dear friend, the next time you open that honey jar, don't just see it as food. Think of it as nature's little skincare secret. It's simple, pure, and powerful. But only when used with care and intention. I challenge you to try this honey mask trick just once this week. Do it with love, with patience, and then come back and tell me if your skin didn't glow just a little bit brighter. Because true skincare isn't just about the products you buy. It's about the connection you build between yourself, your body, and the natural world. Your face deserves kindness. It deserves nourishment. It deserves honey. If this video helped you, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's been struggling with dull or tired skin. Let's all learn to glow naturally, safely, and beautifully together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.